Whiskey stones, designed to chill your drink without dilution, have a fascinating history that reflects their growing popularity among connoisseurs. Originating from the tradition of using chilled stones for beverages in ancient cultures, these sophisticated alternatives have evolved into a symbol of refined taste. Crafted primarily from soapstone or granite, each stone retains temperature effectively, making it an ideal companion for the whiskey enthusiast. There are several types of whiskey stones available on the market, each with its unique characteristics and advantages. Soapstone is renowned for its ability to retain cold, while granite offers a rugged look and excellent thermal properties. Stainless steel stones are also becoming popular, providing durability and easy maintenance. Beyond the material, they come in various shapes and sizes, from cubes to spheres, catering to both function and aesthetic appeal. Using whiskey stones is simple yet vital for enhancing your drinking experience. First, chill the stones in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Once sufficiently cool, add 3 to 4 stones to your glass before pouring your favored whiskey. This method ensures that your drink remains cold, allowing you to savor the full-bodied flavors of the whiskey without the risk of ice melting and diluting it. After use, rinse the stones and let them air dry so they are ready for your next tasting session. In essence, whiskey stones embody a blend of history, craftsmanship, and luxury, transforming the way we enjoy one of the world's oldest spirits.